profit. So there are 4 regions. Do the formatting. Who is this? Have you imported the Excel sheet, or still I need to explain it once again? So create region, put in the x-axis region and in the y-axis profit. Now one more thing is there, everybody. Here legend option is there. Okay, if I just put region in the legend, so I will get color according to the legends, according to the region. Legend gives me color for different unique values. For here west, east, south, central, these are 4 different unique values. So 4 different colors are given. You don't have to give separate colors. Like here we have selected the colors, right? Separate colors. So if you use this legend option, you can give different color. Let us suppose if I put here subcategory. So I'll be putting subcategory in the region, in the legend, subcategory in the legend. You see, for each subcategory I have got a different color. Clear everybody about legend? Please put it. Ask me. See here, read what is this? Not visible. Now see why 2 times subcategory is coming, because I have kept it into the legend also. That's why it is coming. Now only read this much part, that is sum of say profit by subcategory. Now you can see this is number. Number is in y-axis. See sum of profit. You can see here, and this is subcategory. So this is what x-axis, and this is y-axis. Now you got the answer. Tell me what to put in y-axis. Sum of profit. This is see y-axis. This is x-axis. X-axis I have kept subcategory. This is y-axis. Clear? Do the formatting for this second chart. First is subcategory by sum of sales. This is subcategory by profit, or profit by subcategory. Anything you can read it. Now in the legend, if I put instead of subcategory, if I put category. In the legend, what I am putting? Category. So see, this orange are for technology. This blue are for office supplies. This light sky blue are for furniture. This you are